I'm the one who using the name that is stolen, so my computer already I clean it, so it's already clean. So if you give it back nickname is good. So and the man who using is here. We know each other. We are from Somalia, and it's the man you Doti Trohot is the one who stole the name, and all the night he was chatting. Before a few minutes ago he was chatting this name, the name that it's stolen. So I think you can talk to them. Yeah. Them how they stole the people names and how they did it, how they managed. You can discuss with them.
Yeah, I'm sorry there, Bulac. I'm going to remove the red dot there, but okay, it doesn't matter if you've cleaned your computer. The person that needs to clean her computer is Bala there. All right, Bala needs to clean their computer if that is the name where it's been stolen from. Okay. So they are the ones that need to clean their computer. I've sent them the links. Alright. Once that is done, and then they can come back and get their nickname back. Okay, and once they've got their nickname back, they can then sort out the password and everything else, and then it's up to them to keep their account safe. Okay. Welcome back there, Canadian, and welcome in there, Greg. Good to see you both, as I'm going to have to shoot off in a moment, as I've got to de-ice my car before I go to work. So Canadian, do you wish to take the top again?
Hello, I wish you're not going to rep me on because I'm behalf of Mr. Bulac, and I...
Okay, NAJIB. I'm going to take that red dot off you. Okay. But I believe that Serene has been already, that gentleman's already been assisted in that matter. Okay? One complaint, one person. Okay? Now, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to welcome you here to the room. If you do have a question or need assistance, please raise your hand. We will only take one complaint, okay? Not 100 complaints for the same purpose. So if you don't require assistance, please, Pal Talk. We have over 5,427 rooms available for you. Okay? I would ask you also, please, refrain from typing in the text area, as we do use the text area to help the users that have no microphone capability. So if you do have a question, just raise your hand and we will get to you, okay? Okay, silly girl, come on up to the mic. How can we assist you?
Okay, hi. I just wanted to ask a question of how to change the code.
DH. It's not open right now though, XT. Thank you very much there, Whisper. But that's where you need to go, okay? It should be open sometime soon. It will be open later today. When? I don't know, but I'll try back, say, 1 hour, okay, there, XT. DHUUBO, go ahead, please. How can we assist you?
Hi, how are you guys? You know, I'm having 2 problems. I'm having one, I'm missing a mail, and I can't be seen like helping movement is open. The second question is, yesterday there was somebody in my LPN which I didn't invite. I didn't accept it, you know, for my parents. So I don't know if they want to start my computer or something. So I need that help. Thanks.
Ma'am, what kind of microphone do you have? Because you were actually kind of muffled and I didn't understand the question that you had. You said you had 2 questions. What was the first question?
I don't know what time you guys open for the help room for the nicknames, because I forgot one of my nicknames password, and I'm trying to find out how to do that. So that's the one question I have first. The other one is like somebody just entered my IPN yesterday, which I didn't add for my ballot. How they don't get in, and my ban list is closed.
Not too sure there, DHUUBO. First of all, the customer nickname assistance room is open when it is open. Okay, it is run by volunteers, and these volunteers are basically just like myself, and they have lives outside of Pal Talk. So whenever they have enough time to come on to Pal Talk, they do so. All I can say is just keep looking for that room to be open. Okay, there's no set time for it. Second of all, if the person PM'd you, and they're not on your friends list, that's a good question. And I don't know. What version of Pal Talk do you have, please, DH?
I don't really know. I think I have the newest version. But that person is not on my call list. It's just, it keeps coming and I say like, how do you get it? How do you get it? So I don't know. My names and everything is fine now, but I don't know how they get in. So I would like to know if there's anything you guys
Actually, send those people a private message first in order for them to respond to you. Okay. But that's a really good way of keeping. Yeah, that's it. That's a good way of keeping anybody from contacting you. Nobody will be able to contact you when you have the do not disturb on. Okay. That's a very good privacy thing. If you don't want, if you don't want unwanted PMs or not, that's the perfect place to go and to do. Okay. You're very welcome. New Testament, go ahead, please. How can we help you? How did you pay for it, New Testament?